Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Good morning. It is 6:30. Getting ready to drop my son off to school, and then I'm going to the gym. I already took my vitamins. I'm getting ready to take my electrolytes, and then we're off. Let me show y'all the brand that I've been using. I'll take my collagen a little bit later. This is the collagen that I use. Y'all already know that. I like to take my electrolytes before I drink coffee, before I take my pre-workout, because dehydration is real. This is the pre-workout that I take, and this is the electrolytes that I take. So it's just one scoop. I get the watermelon flavor. I think they have a few other flavors. I'll link this in the description box if you guys are interested in taking electrolytes in the morning, which you should if you don't. This is the brand that my doctor recommended. But thank you to everybody that watched yesterday's vlog. I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas. I have to do some weight training today, which I'm not excited about. And I actually need to invest in some gloves for my hands because I do not want to get those calluses right there. So I had some gloves, but I don't know what happened to them. So yeah. I need to arch my eyebrows because they're looking a little wild. I don't really have that much planned today. I need to go to the post office whenever they open, but that's not until 9 o'clock. I might go to Target because I haven't been to Target in a while. And then I need to run by TJ's to get some dumplings, just like our regular stuff that we always get from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna go up there and grab a few things from there. And then I guess I'll figure out what I'm gonna cook for dinner while I'm in the gym. All right, y'all, I'm back home from the gym. I started to go to Target, but I'm like, do I really need anything from Target? No, I don't. And nothing is open just yet, so I'm back home. I really need to do some outfits and stuff for my Instagram and TikTok because it's been probably about a week. When it's that time of the month, I just don't feel like doing it. But I need to do it. I didn't sweat that much because I was doing weight training. Usually when I weight train, I don't sweat a whole lot. I still did 20 minutes of cardio. Let me show y'all some of the stuff that I've been loving lately. So I repurchased the Double Eye Serum by Clarins, and then I just purchased the Double Serum Complete Age Defying Concentrate by Clarins. And I like the way my skin is feeling so far. And then I also had them to give me a bunch of samples, things that I wanted to try. They had this nighttime cream. I've used all of them, but she gave me 5 packs. So I used it for a week. I love it. So I think I'm gonna go buy full size. And then she gave me a bunch of these one-step gentle exfoliate cleansers. So I have 3 left. I can get like 2 uses out of this little sample size. So I have a few left. What's this one? Oh, this is a wrinkle control firming day cream right here. I think I had 2. Oh yeah, I got 2 of these too. So I used all the night creams, and now I'm just left with the, oh wait, this is different too. Hold on, let me look. I Alright, so I have 2 of the Wrinkle Control Firming Day Cream. And then this is a Body Fit Active. This is Skin Soothing Expert, visibly lifts and tightens. And then this one is a Super Restorative Day Cream that lifts, replumps, and targets wrinkles. So yeah, she hooked me up with the samples, but like I said, I love the night cream. And then another thing, this is what I want y'all to try. This Clinique Moisture Surge, they sent this to me. Go to Sephora or a department store and ask for like a sample of this, and then just tell me what y'all think. That's all I'm gonna say. It has your skin moisturized. Like, I usually put this on at night because I like to really moisturize my face because I sleep with a fan. So I have a fan just blowing in my face. So I have to get heavy with my moisturizer at night. And I've been using this. I keep it out on the counter so I don't forget to use it, because y'all know I have a lot of different products, but I always want to include this because it just have your skin feeling so good. If you guys have tried it, leave it in the comments and let them know, y'all. Clinique Moisture Surge. That's all I'm saying. Just go get a sample. You can get it anytime I show any type of skin product. You can always go to your department store, Sephora, Nordstrom, wherever, and ask for a sample, and you can just try it. And then if you like it, you can buy it. But yes, I've been loving that. I've also been loving this Clinique Moisture Surge lip treatment. I think I showed this to you guys before. They also sent me this. I think they sent me these 2 together, but I've been using this so much. I'm gonna repurchase this because this also moisturizes your lips very well. Y'all let me know if y'all have tried it. It moisturizes your lips very well. Y'all know eye cream, lip cream, neck cream. I'm addicted, okay? Like, I have so many different lip products. Like, let me show y'all all this that I got in this drawer. Y'all know this top drawer. I actually need to reorganize this drawer. This is like my skincare drawer that the products that I'm currently using. But it's a mess in here right now, so I have to organize it a little bit more. I'm gonna show y'all all the lip products that I have in this drawer, because you gotta keep your lips soft. What's this? You gotta keep the lips soft, okay? These are all the lip products that I have in this top drawer. Okay, it's a lot. I have my Gucci lip scrub. I have this lip balm by Koba. I have the Fenty Skin lip mask. I have the Lancome. Oh, this is just a lip gloss. These 2 are lip glosses. I have the Fenty Pro Kiss in Hint Hint. I have my Lancome. I have both of my Lancomes up here. I don't know where the other one is. It's in there somewhere. And then I have the Clinique, and then I have my YSL lip balm, and I also have my Prada lip balm in here. I just have a lot of lip products, so I need to reorganize this drawer. I might do that like later on today or tomorrow. And I've been going to sleep so early. Yesterday, I think I went to sleep maybe like 8 o'clock. Like, I went to sleep early. I finished everything I had to do. I posted 2 videos yesterday, one on this channel, one on my mukbang channel. Got those edited down, cleaned up the kitchen, cooked dinner, and then I wanted to watch the Cowboys and the Broncos with Tony last night. So I took a shower, we got in the bed, started watching the game. And if I'm in the bed watching anything, I'm gonna doze off. Like, it just, I have my fan together, the sheets is cozy, I'm feeling good, I doze off, okay? It's gonna happen. So girl, I went to sleep maybe like the beginning of the 3rd quarter. I was knocked out. So I do know who won the game because I checked it this morning. So the Broncos won. So now I'm getting ready to go fix me a coffee and just chill out, turn on my Christmas stuff. first time seeing this jacket in person. They only have a medium. I'm gonna try it on and see. That's kind of cute. Back from TJ's. Let me show y'all what I got. Just some of our favorite things that I always get. I did a little bit of Christmas shopping. I couldn't really vlog while I was doing that, but I will show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. Vegetable dumplings, chicken soup dumplings, bulgogi beef fried rice, vegetable rice, beef bulgogi, red curry, kimbap, turkey meatballs, griddle cakes, and chicken breakfast patties. So yeah, that's everything that I got. I'm gonna take one of these. I got 2 each. I'm gonna take this to my sister. I've told y'all about this before, and my sister loves bulgogi beef. So this has the meat in it already, but I like to add more because it just tastes better that way. So I'm gonna give this one to my sister, and then I have this one for us. So yeah, that's it. That's everything that I picked up. So yeah, y'all, that is everything that I picked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one tomorrow. Bye.